Hey there, you know what's great about blockchain technology? It's not just for buying cryptocurrency or pretending to understand how it all works. No, my friend. Blockchain technology can revolutionize industries beyond cryptocurrency. Let me explain. First off, let's talk about supply chain management. With blockchain technology, you can track products from the moment they're made to the moment they're sold. No more shady middlemen or counterfeit goods. It's like having a virtual watchdog to make sure everything's legit. But wait, there's more. Blockchain technology can also revolutionize the healthcare industry. Imagine a world where your medical records are securely stored and easily accessible by healthcare professionals. No more losing paper records or struggling to remember your medical history. It's like having a virtual assistant to keep track of your health for you. And don't even get me started on voting. With blockchain technology, we can have a more secure and transparent voting system. No more worrying about tampering or questioning the validity of election results. It's like having a virtual bouncer to make sure only legit votes get in. But of course, with every technology, there are some cons to consider. One major concern with blockchain is the energy consumption needed to validate transactions. It's like having a virtual power plant just for your blockchain. Another issue is the potential for privacy concerns. With so much information stored on the blockchain, there's a risk of sensitive information falling into the wrong hand. It's like having a virtual burglar trying to steal your identity. So, in summary, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize industries beyond cryptocurrency. From supply chain management to healthcare to voting, the possibilities are endless. But as with any technology, it's important to consider the potential cons and take steps to address them. It's like having a virtual superhero with some kryptonite weaknesses. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech talk